Dear students, this is Dev's Academy and you are continuing the chapter Matrix from class 10 and all the sums have been solved from Selina's book. Before this, we have already done these chapters. We have already done goods and service tax, banking, quadratic equation of one variable, and ratio and proportion, factorization of polynomials, arithmetical progression. Go through all my videos and you will have all these chapters done for your first semester. Now this is matrix. The first question is given: A equal to 2130, B equal to 1152. These are the elements of A and B, and C is also like this: -3, -1, 0, 0. At first we will say for the rows, then columns. We have to find 2A minus 3B plus C. 2A means this 2 into A, this is A, minus 3B minus 3 into this is B, and C is this. When we will multiply 2, it will be 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, 0, 2 into 0, 0. Now with 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 5, 15, and 3 into 2, 6. But here it will be same, C is same. So when you will add and subtract, when A subtracted, B subtracted from A, and it is C is added, you will get 4 minus 3 minus 3 and 2 minus 3 minus 1, 6 minus 15 plus 0 and 0 plus minus 6 plus 0. The result is minus 2 minus 2 minus 9, 6. This is the answer. Next, question number 2, given A equal to like this. The elements are minus 3, 6 and 0 minus 9. And AT means transpose matrix of A. Transpose matrix, in transpose matrix you will change the rows into columns and the columns into rows. We have to find out this: 2A plus 3AT, 2AT minus 3A, half A minus 1/3 AT, and number 4 is AT minus 1/3 A. As A is minus 3, 6 and 0 minus 9, therefore transpose matrix will be, this is row, 3 minus 3 is 6, it will change into column, 3, 6 will change into column, and 0 minus 9 will also change into column. So this is AT, that is transpose matrix of A. Now 2A plus 3AT, 2 into A and 3 into transpose matrix of A. By multiplying 2 we will get minus 6, 12 and 0 minus 18, and multiplying 3 with this we will get minus 9, 0 and 18 minus 27. Here it is plus, so adding these two we will get minus 6 minus 9, 12 plus 0, 0 plus 18 and minus 18 minus 27. Calculating this we will get minus 15, 12, 18 minus 45. This is the answer for question number 1. Now question number 2, which is 2AT minus 3A. 2AT means transpose matrix twice of the transpose matrix, which is 2 into minus 3, 0 and 6 minus 9. And 3a, multiplying a with 3, we will get 3 into minus 3, 6 and 0, 9. Now it is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, 0, 12, minus 18. Minus 3 into 3, 9, 3, 6 are 18, 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 9, 27. By subtracting this, we will get minus 6, it will be minus minus plus 9, and 0, minus 18, 12, minus 0, and minus 18, minus of minus 27, that is plus 27, and the answer is 3, minus 18, 2, 9. This is the answer of second question. Third question, half a and 1/3 80. Half a means half into minus 3, 6, 0, minus 9. And 1/3 of 80 is 1/3 of minus 3 is 0 and 6 minus 9. This is after taking its half, we will get minus 3 by 2 and 3. And 0 minus 9 by 2. And 1/3 of 80 is minus 1, 0, 2 and minus 3. After subtracting, we will get minus 3 by 2, minus minus plus 1, 3, minus minus plus 0, minus 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 3 minus 0, 0, minus 2 and minus 9 by 2 minus minus 3, that is plus 3. And the result is minus half, 3, minus 2, minus 3 by 2. This is answer. Question number 4. It is given AT, that is transpose matrix of A minus 1/3 of matrix X. A. This is transpose matrix A. It is minus 3, 0 and 6 minus 9. And 1/3 of A, it is 1/3 of minus 3, 6 and 0 minus 9. Calculating this, we are getting minus 3, 0, minus 1. 3 into 3, that is minus 1, and 3 into 1/3 into 6, that is 2, and 0 into 1/3, 0, and 0 into minus 1 by 9 equal to 9 by, this is 1/3, it will be 1/3, that is minus 3. So the result will be minus 3, minus minus plus 1, 0, minus 2, 6, minus 0, and minus 9, minus minus plus 3. So it is 3, minus 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2 and 6, minus 6. This is answer. Dear students, for this first semester we have already done goods and service tax, banking, quadratic equation for one variable, ratio and proportion, factorization of polynomials, arithmetical progression has already been done. So this is now matrix, and I think it will also be finished. This is all today. Thank you.